Once a script has been imported, we'll be able to create script sides in the scene section. Up here, we'll have the options as to how script sides can be created. So we can download the complete script or download script sides. And we can even filter them by characters, shooting days, call sheets, or by selected scenes. Let's filter by character and export one of the main character sides. Let's go with Farid. Next, Yamdu will then take all of his scenes and put them together in an export for us. We'll even have some additional options to show tagged elements, download the side with a custom watermark, start each scene on a new page, or create sides without colored text. And once we have the export, we'll be able to review and see all of Farid's scenes. That was a quick look at how to export script sides in Yamdu. Stay tuned for more tutorials.